Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got a unit here that we got a Nylac and got some of it masked up here. I do have to take these off. I have to mask the lights that are in behind there, so I have to take that off. Same with there. Got the cylinders left. I got this side window, and then I got the rear window facing out the back. The window up top there. So I got a few lights on each side there. Light right there. Do have to cover the end of the cylinder here. And then we end up having to wash all this just from bringing it in the shop. You can see all the dirt here. And all of here. We gotta wash that all off so that we can put the coating, because if the potash sits on here, it'll rust for sure. So they want us to put a coat on that. And I think that really I have most of the other stuff masked. But yeah, this is a pretty nice unit, not gonna lie. Wish it was mine, other than I wouldn't want to pay the price tag. So it is a 220. So it's a 20-ton unit. Don't really think that's just how much it weighs, actually. But yeah, that's what they considered as a 20-ton. So the customer did bring it to us washed this time, so we just kind of had to wash a little bit of road grime off of it. Not too much, other than the bottom there, just to bring it in the shop. We did get about a foot more snow here, so kind of made a mess of it when you bring it everywhere. So this is the product that we are using. And yeah, you just put it in a gun and you spray it on. It is as thin as water, honestly. So we got the excavator all done. I'm gonna give you guys a quick look around. Look how shiny this thing is now. Might have to do it in a little bit better light. Maybe when it's like lunch tomorrow or something, I'll try and get a shot. So right now it just really doesn't even do justice. Here you can kind of tell the coating, like rust doesn't shine like that, so kind of gives you a bit of an idea. Like you can see the sparkle to it if you look really close. Here's also, I sprayed it here. It's really hard to tell it's shiny on the camera, but you can kind of see there. Literally the exact same thing. So we got a ton of sand. So we scraped the yard down. We have the pad there, and it's kind of getting really high in here and really soft with the forklifts, so we're kind of chewing it down. We're gonna end up putting some rock down here. Look at the amount of sand though. I mean, that's all just blasting sand. Most of it really does go to powder, but this would be kind of like what we whistle up in the air or hits the ground without even hitting metal. So it kind of gives you a rough idea of how much we do blast out here. I actually have another couple piles behind that truck from previously. We do probably got to trim down where the pot is sitting there, and then on this side a bit. So we're gonna put that rock down, give it a good firm base, and then we'll put just a little bit of sand over top, just so when we're crawling around and stuff like that, it's not so hard on the knees. If I had to guess, it's probably like 8 or 10 tandems on there. So I did kind of want to go over the coating that we were using. It's called Nylac. It is an aerospace coating made for aircrafts and stuff like that. So we're putting it on this brand new excavator because it's going into a potash mine, and they say it's supposed to prevent the salt kind of from penetrating the coating. So, and it kind of helps when the potash lands on it, that it kind of just slides right off. So down the road, I will be doing a video on what you should do for prepping this coating. It's not just you put it in the gun and you spray it. There still is a few crucial steps. But it is pretty unique. As you can see, I'm spraying the motor, everything. Everything gets it, rubber, plastic. And as always guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.